Itong Lares Chika mga mosang, Villamoriano handang magkita na may ibang partner ang nobyo niyang si Donnie Pangilinan. Napapag-usapan naman daw nilang magkasintahan tungkol roon at susuportahan daw nilang isa't isa pag may kanya-kanya silang project, art partner na sa serye o sa movie man. Sabi niya, hindi nila hahadlangan ang isa't isa because it's part of their growth. Ito nga, panoorin nyo ang kanyang interview.
Kakaroon kayo ng project ni Donnie na magkahiwalay. Nanibago ka ba na hindi kasama si Donnie? Yes! Noong una, nag-usap ka nga isang beses po ni Donnie. Sabi ko, kinakabahan ako, hindi kita ka-work. Siyempre kasi meron na kaming, tawag doon, dynamics together. Pero I feel like it was very much needed since he's doing Roma and I'm doing Meet, Greet, and Buy for this movie. Parang it allowed us to grow more. So, and parang mas makikita mo yung maturity, syempre, time, parang mas nag-grow kami. So, hopefully, yung movie na to, mas mabigyan ng justice yung story and yung characters po. Pag-uusapan niyo ba yun na kunyari si Donnie, may magkaroon siya ng ibang kapartner kunyari sa Roha, tapos ikaw sa ibang project? Well, kasi we're very open naman to, we've spoken about showing support as long as it's for the growth of each other. So, whether that's working with each other or with someone else or apart, as long as the other person grows. And that's what I love about us is that we're really supportive of each other and we're very open about it. Dito sa Payo sa Wakas, meron ka bang nakitang kakaiba sa isang Donnie Pangilinan? Kasi 2025 last year pa yung last nyo, di ba? Sorry po. So, meron ka bang bagong nakita kay Donnie? Kasi tayo sa Wakas. Sa Wakas. Hindi ko nagsishort. Teaser pa lang. Pero now, nakikita ko yung, alam mo, I feel with Donnie kasi all the more I work with him, I can see more how dedicated he is with his work. Kitang-kita mo yung puso tuwing nagtatrabaho siya. Even up to that teaser, talaga yung so hands-on. And he never fails to surprise me and us actually sa mga ideas niya. He never runs out of ideas. He's the most spontaneous person, you know. And syempre parang naging blessing siya for me and blessing sa lahat ng supporters namin. Thank you, Ben. Thank you so much po. Thank you.